శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogendra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, once upon a time, one elephant, Gajendra, went into a pond. In that pond there is one alligator. That alligator is very, very strong one. That alligator catched the leg of, feet of this elephant. This elephant tried very hard, but he could not get rid of that alligator. Then this elephant, while he is crying, he held Ambujahasta Artaha. He held one lotus flower with his trunk, and then he started praying Paramatma, Adi Purusha, Akhila Lokanatha, Tirthasravaha, Sravana Mangala Namadheya. He is praising and praying Sriman Narayana like this: Ho Adi Purusha, O Akhila Lokanatha, O the one whose name is whenever heard by anyone, they will definitely get all kind of auspiciousness. Such beautiful names, such auspicious and powerful names you have, O Sriman Narayana. Your fame is all over, spreaded all over the worlds. O Sriman Narayana, Hari Nive Saranambu Naku Anina Guyalinchi. O Sriman Narayana, I request you to come and protect me. I am surrendering to only you. I need only you to come down and protect me. Like this, Gajendra narrowed down entire of his attention and devotion to Sriman Narayana and prayed and requested only Sriman Narayana to come. Then, O Narada, Paramatma, the one who is Aprameya, the one who has no one equal to him, such Paramatma as a Sri Hari, Chakrayudha Patagaraja Bhujadhirudha. He held his Chakrayudham. He got on to his Garutman. Then Vevegavascharamundrunchi Karindrugache Mahita Utsahambunantapasa. O Narada, such Sriman Narayana came down rushingly to protect this elephant from that alligator. Such an embodiment of compassion, Sriman Narayana. He came down and Chakrena Nakravadanam Vinipatya. He cut the neck of that alligator and he brought that Gajendra elephant out of that pond with all of his Bhagavan Krupaya Ujjahara. Paramatma showered entire of his compassion and entire of his grace on that elephant. O Narada, Paramatma who came down to protect Gajendra, that avataram is Sri Hari Avataram. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Paramatma's avatarams to Narada Maharshi. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.